Janasena party criticizes DMK party in the name of Sanatana Dharma. DMK criticizes Janasena party in the name of anti-Sanatana Dharma. But both are similar, both are friendly in exploiting the people of India. They are all speaking about development, they are all speaking about production, improvement. But they are not willing to equal production to people of India. Production and distribution, equality and equilibrium between production and distribution is the basic economical thing. Whatever the dharma, giving solution to this is the main thing. Long live Sanatana Samyavada Mata.